it rained yesterday and taping off that vent did not work. Looks like more rain today. Yes, it's supposed to rain some more. So temporarily, I have the shower liner. I use this for fixes. It's great stuff. So I'm going to cut a piece of shower liner, tape it over the whole area, and see if that will work temporarily until the weather clears and I can get some lap sealant and fix it all. Sorry, the dogs started just howling. They were distracting me. Okay, so a telescopic ladder, which I love, and I always put a towel underneath it so I don't mar up the Twinkie. Let's get to work. Guys, cut it out. Ewok sounds. It still looks good. Everything is sealed down. So we'll try the plastic trick. And if it still leaks, then water is penetrating in from another source. Which means on my next nice day, I'm going to have to get up here, seal these seams with Eternabond, and hope that that works. I hope it's not coming somewhere from the AC. Great, thank you, train. I hope it's not coming in from the AC somewhere and running down through the ceiling and coming out through the roof vent. But anyhow, I'll cut this up and we'll go ahead and give that a try and see. Because my floor got absolutely... They had to lay on those horns. Because my floor got absolutely soaked yesterday. My rugs got soaked. My dog bed, Birdie's dog bed got soaked. Everything. It was not good. And like I said before, my floor is not waterproof. And it is getting damages. It's not ruined, but it is damaged. Okay, let's give this a try. I tacked down the edges just so the breeze would not take my plastic away. Well, it's a lot of tape I'm going to be using. Oh well, you got to do what you got to do. So I'm going to tape it off and let's hope this works. Okay, the job is done. We shall see how this works. Oh my gosh. Because what I did underneath certainly didn't. It was really bad. In fact, I took video. I'll add it to this. Yeah, not good. Yikes. It is windy and cold. One more. Let's hope this will be the last freeze of this year. This is crazy. What is this? This is March something or other. It's crazy. Anyhow, it is. Oh, gotta close this door. I'll be right back. Ooh, that wind is a-blowing. I got 2 heaters going on in here. I don't have any propane hooked up to this RV. I would have to add a new regulator and everything, and the only thing I would actually be using it for would be the stove, so I just use electric burners instead. So my little thing did not exactly work. Hold on just a second. My little fix did not exactly work. It worked for this side, but it did not work for this side. So this side still drips. So I still have to put a container under it when it rains. My next step will be to order more Eternabond and seal everything up on the roof over the rivets and everything, because this is a different type of roof, of course. It's an aluminum roof and you can't really walk on it. So it's a bit of a challenge working on it, but I'll get it done. And hopefully doing that will help. I really, really hope it's not coming from the AC somehow. From when I had the AC installed. I don't know. Anyhow, I'll give that a try and we'll see what happens from there. So, thank you for watching. Live the life you love. take care out there. I hope everybody's doing well. And thanks again. Have a good one. Goodbye. My homemade chandelier. I just cleaned it.